Pallet data is the main driver for any rack system. We must carefully look at the customer's pallets for the details below. We must know the length, width, and height of the pallet, the weight of the pallet itself, the type of pallet, and the condition of the pallets. This will all help us design the proper system. Pallet length is the dimension of the stringer length. Length is considered to be the depth in most racks. In selective rack, it will help us determine the frame depth. Here's the side view of the pallet, and normally the stringer depth is 40 to 48 inches, but the most common is 48-inch deep. Pallet width is the front face of the pallet. It is the dimension of the pallet as it faces the aisle, the side in which the forklift interfaces with it. Here we see the front face of the pallet. 40 inches wide is a most common width of a pallet. When talking about the pallet size, the depth or the length front to back is always the first number given, and the width left to right is the second number given. For example, if someone gives us information that he has a 48 by 40 pallet, it would be assumed that it is 48 inches deep by 40 inches wide. They say we have a 40 by 48 pallet, the assumption is 40 inches deep by 48 inches wide. But the takeaway is never to assume that, because many people even in our industry, commonly are unaware that it is normally accepted practice by professionals, the depth first, the width last. Finally, we must know the pallet height and weight. If the height of the pallets are not consistent, use the highest height. Most common pallets are 5 to 6 inches high. Be sure the weight of the pallet is known, because this will be included when we figure out the capacity of the beams.